please talk about helpful ways to bear witness to someone's experience? Living with someone with chronic illness and being the closest, most consistent witness, but still not being in my partner's shoes. How can we help someone feel seen and understood when so many others shy away from their pain and suffering?
Beautiful question. Bearing witness is, like we've said, is one of the most important pieces of this puzzle. One of the most important things any of us can do for one another is actually to see each other, drop the judgments, not put lipstick on a pig or whatever that phrase is, not doll you up, not squint, but fully see you, warts and all, whatever you are, seeing you, not judging you, being with you. So first of all, just that's what that's what we mean by bearing witness. And again, the muscle is being, not doing. The muscle is actually daring to sit there and look and not run away, and to get past our own defenses, our own fears, so that we can be fully open to what's in front of us. That's where the caregiving can be so enriching, is exercising that muscle of how to see, of how to be in the world. And on the receiving end, boy, I hope we all, before any of us dies, I hope we have a moment where someone sees us for who we are and accepts us for who we are. It is a magnificent kindness service. Um, I think that answers the question. But I
Yeah,
guess how to do that, I suppose, very simply put, the most simply put is don't run away. I don't mean
right.
just physically, just to stay at the person's side. You got to leave. You got to do other things. But emotionally, don't cut yourself off. Don't don't numb out. Don't deaden the connection. Actually seek the connection, even if it's uncomfortable. That's what I mean by not running away. Non-abandonment is actually so much of the trick. And that means exercising the muscle of sitting with discomfort, sitting with suffering you can't change, either your own or the other person. And I suppose to do on this, en route to this is where a lot of people find a benefit in a meditation practice of learning how just to sit with their feelings, not trying to fix them all the time. There you go.